Hey everyone, and welcome to Tech Trendz. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of future technology. From the smartphones in our pockets to the algorithms shaping our online experiences, technology is everywhere. It's changed how we communicate, work, and even think. The pace of technological advancement is mind-blowing. What was once considered science fiction is rapidly becoming a reality. Self-driving cars? Check. Virtual reality gaming? Check. Artificial intelligence composing music? Double check. On this channel, we'll break down complex tech topics into easy-to-understand chunks, making sure you're in the know. We'll explore the latest gadgets, software, and innovations that are shaping our world. Technology is impacting every aspect of our lives. Understanding these trends can give you a competitive edge in your career. Many industries are rapidly evolving, with technology at the forefront. Knowing what's on the horizon can help you stay ahead of the curve and adapt to these changes. Technology is shaping our society in profound ways, raising important ethical and societal questions. By understanding these technologies, we can engage in meaningful conversations about their implications and help shape a future that benefits everyone. So, what exactly does the future hold? Well, that's the million-dollar question. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be incredible. We're talking about a future where artificial intelligence becomes even more sophisticated, where virtual and augmented reality blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds, and where personalized medicine becomes the norm. It's a future filled with both exciting possibilities and potential challenges. In the upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into specific tech trends that are poised to reshape our world. We'll break down complex concepts, separate hype from reality, and provide you with the insights you need to navigate this rapidly changing landscape. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has moved from the realm of science fiction into our everyday lives. From smart assistants like Siri and Alexa to sophisticated algorithms driving our social media feeds, AI is ubiquitous. The current landscape of AI is diverse and ever-evolving, marked by rapid advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and neural networks. These technologies are enabling machines to learn from data, understand human language, and even make decisions independently. In recent years, we've witnessed AI's remarkable growth, especially in fields like image and speech recognition. For instance, facial recognition technology has become more accurate, being used in everything from security systems to social media tagging. Similarly, AI-driven language models like GPT-4 are now capable of generating human-like text, revolutionizing content creation, customer service, and more. However, as AI technology advances, so does the complexity of the challenges it presents. The practical applications of AI are vast and varied, impacting numerous aspects of our daily lives. In healthcare, AI is transforming diagnostics and treatment. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images faster and more accurately than human doctors, leading to early detection of diseases like cancer. AI-driven predictive analytics also enable personalized treatment plans, improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. In the business world, AI is enhancing efficiency and productivity. Chatbots and virtual assistants are streamlining customer service, providing instant responses to queries and freeing up human agents to handle more complex issues. AI algorithms are also optimizing supply chains, predicting demand and managing inventory, leading to significant cost savings. The transportation industry is another area where AI is making a significant impact. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI are being tested and deployed globally, promising safer and more efficient travel. Looking ahead, the future potential of AI is both exciting and awe-inspiring. One area poised for groundbreaking advancements is general AI, systems that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like the human brain. While we're not there yet, significant strides are being made towards creating more versatile and adaptive AI models. Another promising frontier is AI in space exploration. AI can manage complex simulations, optimize spacecraft trajectories, and even assist in autonomous decision-making during missions. AI is also expected to play a crucial role in addressing global challenges such as climate change. By analyzing vast datasets, AI can predict environmental changes, optimize renewable energy sources, and improve conservation efforts. As AI technology evolves, we must consider its ethical implications and challenges. Data privacy is a primary concern. AI needs vast data, raising questions about collection and use. Ensuring data privacy and protecting rights is critical. Bias in AI algorithms is another challenge. Biased data can lead to unfair treatment. This affects hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Detecting and mitigating bias is ongoing. AI's impact on employment is a major concern. Education and training are essential for a smooth transition. Remember those clunky robots from old sci-fi movies? Yeah, we've come a long way. Today's robots are sleek, sophisticated, and capable of some pretty incredible things. We're not just talking about those robotic arms assembling cars in factories, although those are getting more advanced too. Think robots that can perform surgery, assist the elderly, and even deliver your groceries. One of the most exciting areas of robotics is collaborative robots or cobots. These robots are designed to work alongside humans, not replace them. They can handle repetitive tasks, heavy lifting, and even make decisions in real time based on sensor data. This opens up a world of possibilities for increased productivity and efficiency in various industries. Let's step outside the factory and explore how robots are making their mark in diverse industries. In healthcare, surgical robots are assisting surgeons with unprecedented precision, leading to faster recovery times and better patient outcomes. Rehabilitation robots are helping patients regain mobility after injuries, and telepresence robots are allowing doctors to examine and interact with patients remotely. Moving on to logistics, robots are revolutionizing how goods are stored, sorted, and delivered. Autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, are navigating warehouses with ease, picking and packing orders with speed and accuracy. Delivery robots are starting to pop up in cities around the world, bringing us our online shopping with efficiency and a touch of futuristic flair. These advancements are streamlining supply chains, reducing delivery times, and making it easier than ever to get what we need when we need it. The future of robotics is brimming with possibilities. One area of significant development is soft robotics, which focuses on creating robots from flexible and compliant materials. These robots have the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, where they could be used for minimally invasive surgeries or to create prosthetic limbs that feel and function more naturally. Another exciting area is swarm robotics, where large groups of small, simple robots work together to achieve a common goal. Inspired by the collective behavior of insects like ants and bees, swarm robots could be used for tasks like environmental monitoring, search and rescue, or even construction. Advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning will continue to drive the evolution of robotics. Now, with all this talk about robots, it's natural to wonder, will robots take over the world? Well, that's a question for another video. But seriously, the future of robotics isn't about replacing humans, it's about collaboration and coexistence. The goal is to create a future where humans and robots work together, each leveraging their strengths to achieve common goals. Robots can handle repetitive, physically demanding, or dangerous tasks, freeing up humans to focus on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. This collaboration has the potential to boost productivity, improve working conditions, and drive innovation across industries. By approaching these challenges thoughtfully, we can create a future where humans and robots work together to create a better world for everyone. All right, let's talk about a world where your refrigerator orders groceries, your thermostat adjusts itself based on your schedule, and your car reminds you about upcoming appointments. Sound like science fiction? Think again. This is the world of the Internet of Things, or IoT for short, and it's already happening. In a nutshell, the IoT is all about connecting everyday objects to the internet, allowing them to send and receive data and interact with each other. We're talking about everything from smartwatches and fitness trackers to connected cars and industrial sensors. This interconnectedness brings a whole new level of convenience, efficiency, and even personalization to our lives. Imagine your coffee maker starting to brew your favorite blend as soon as your alarm goes off, or your lights automatically dimming when you start watching a movie. The IoT is also transforming industries, from healthcare and transportation to manufacturing and agriculture, making them more efficient, sustainable, and data-driven. Let's start with the most relatable example: smart homes. With a smart home setup, you can control everything from your lighting and temperature to your appliances and security systems, all from your smartphone or a voice assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant. Imagine walking into your home after a long day and the lights automatically turn on, your favorite playlist starts playing, and the thermostat adjusts to your preferred temperature. Smart home devices can also help you save money and energy. Smart thermostats, for example, can learn your heating and cooling preferences and adjust themselves accordingly, reducing your energy consumption and lowering your bills. With smart security systems, you can monitor your home remotely, receive instant alerts if any suspicious activity is detected, and even control your door locks and security cameras from your phone. That's peace of mind at your fingertips. Let's explore how the IoT is making its mark in the wider world. Smart streetlights adjust brightness based on traffic, saving energy and reducing light pollution. Traffic sensors optimize flow and reduce congestion. Smart parking systems guide drivers to available spots. Wearable devices track fitness and monitor health. Hospitals have smart beds that adjust to patient needs. Connected medical devices share data seamlessly. Connected cars enhance safety and enable autonomous driving. IoT transforms public transportation with real-time tracking. As we look ahead, the future of the IoT is incredibly exciting. More devices will become connected, from everyday objects to complex industrial machines. This will generate massive amounts of data, providing valuable insights. AI and machine learning will unlock the full potential of the IoT. AI can analyze data, identify patterns, and automate tasks. Imagine a refrigerator that orders groceries and suggests recipes, or a car that predicts maintenance needs. This is the power of AI and IoT working together. However, this future comes with challenges. Data privacy and security are paramount concerns. Robust security measures are needed to protect sensitive data. Ensuring seamless communication between devices is crucial. Standardization and collaboration among tech companies are key. Despite challenges, the benefits of IoT are significant. Embracing this future responsibly can create a more efficient, sustainable, and human-centered world. Remember those clunky, slow electric cars from a few years ago? Gone. The electric revolution is here, and it's bringing some serious horsepower. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are taking the automotive world by storm, and they're only getting better, faster, and more stylish. From Tesla's sleek models to affordable and efficient options from established car makers, there's an EV out there for everyone. But it's not just about looks and performance. EVs are changing the game when it comes to sustainability and cost-effectiveness. With zero tailpipe emissions, EVs offer a cleaner alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, reducing air pollution and our dependence on fossil fuels. And with advancements in battery technology, EVs are boasting impressive ranges, making range anxiety a thing of the past. Plus, let's not forget about the joy of instant torque. EVs deliver exhilarating acceleration, leaving gas guzzlers in the dust. And with fewer moving parts, they require less maintenance, saving you time and money in the long run. Beyond electric cars, exploring sustainable transportation. The electric revolution isn't just about cars. From electric buses and trucks to electric bikes and scooters, sustainable options are everywhere, offering cleaner ways to get around. Imagine quieter cities, cleaner air, and easy commutes. That's sustainable transportation, and it's closer than you think. Powering the future renewable energy takes center stage. Now let's talk about what powers these electric vehicles and sustainable transportation systems: renewable energy. As we transition away from fossil fuels, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower are becoming increasingly important in meeting our energy needs. Solar panels are becoming more affordable and efficient, allowing homeowners and businesses to generate their own clean energy and reduce their carbon footprint. Wind turbines, both on land and offshore, are harnessing the power of the wind to generate electricity on a large scale. And hydropower, a long-standing source of renewable energy, continues to play a vital role in many parts of the world, providing a reliable and sustainable source of electricity. But it's not just about generating electricity, it's about storing it efficiently. Advancements in battery technology are crucial for storing renewable energy, ensuring that it's available when we need it, even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. A greener tomorrow, the environmental impact of sustainable tech. What does this mean for our planet? Embracing sustainable tech creates a cleaner future. Electric vehicles and renewable energy reduce fossil fuel dependence. Fossil fuels contribute to climate change and pollution. Sustainable energy reduces emissions and improves air quality. Protecting our planet's resources is crucial. It's about a sustainable and equitable future for all. The tech-powered future, staying ahead of the curve. From AI and robots to IoT and renewable energy, technology is rapidly changing our world. It's about being informed and excited about the possibilities. Understanding these trends shapes our future, from work and communication to global challenges. Stay curious, explore new technologies, and keep learning. The future is powered by technology. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of tech trends.